Hi friend, this is Miss Shahil Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel English Talk with Shahil Khan. If you are new here, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing any latest update. And please like my videos and share with your friends. You will learn something new here. So friends, if you are new learner and you wanna know that how to start this language in great way, in easy way, so I will share my personal experience with you. So watch this video till the end, you will get some new information. So my viewers, if you are like me, I'm new learner and I'm in my initial day. I'm improving myself day by day and I'm doing practice to give my most of the percentage. I will never say that my 100% I'm giving, sorry, I will never say that I am giving my 100% because no one here who can give his 100% for any topic. So I'm saying you that if you are new, so from where you have to start this language for learning. So if you are new in this language, so it is my personal experience and it is my personal opinion. It is not, this opinion is not for like any principle, this is not any principle, this is not any rule, it is my personal opinion. So according to me, if we are new in this language, so we have to start from grammar. Grammar, we cannot depend on only practice, because with practice what we can do, if we don't know that grammar, because English is our second language. Being an Indian, it is our second language, not a first language. If this will be our first language, so definitely without grammar we can speak this language. But being a second language, it is tough, not much tough, but it is quite tough. So we have to start from grammar. We have to learn some basic grammar. We don't have to go for like advanced kind of grammar. We have to learn basic grammar. What basic grammar? So basic grammar means tenses, it is necessary, modals, modal verbs, verb of to be, verb of to have, to has, and preposition, uh, you know parts of speech, all parts of speech, and basic vocabulary, something 500 verbs. If you will learn these all things, so you can go for practice. Okay, without grammar you can't do practice. If you think that with practice I can speak, so you are not American, you are not Britisher, sorry, you're not Britishers, you're not foreigner, where English is a first language. So you have to learn grammar, then you can speak well. So I hope you are learning something new with me. If I do any mistake, so please forgive me. I'm not so fast. So my dear friends, I gave you my personal opinion, and I would like to say you that practice, how to do practice. Yeah, if you have got that how to what is the first step for this language, like now I have told you that grammar is the first step, and second, how to do practice. So you have to do practice with you. Okay, not you have to go to someone, okay, not you have to take debate session, just you have to do practice with your own self. Like, just comes to the mirror and go there, make sentences like in Hindi, then translate in English, like मैं खाता हूँ, I eat, मैं जाता हूँ, I go, मैं नहीं जाता हूँ, I don't go, वह क्या कर रहा है, what is he doing. Like this you have to do practice. Okay, when when will you become good translator, then come for the topic. Like, just take a topic like education. What is education? So you have to speak much and much on education. And after that, when will you become good translator, so you have to take a particular topic like education. You have to speak much and much on education, then uh, change your topic next day, like game, outdoor game, and next day you have to change your this topic into you have to replace this topic from new. So if you will do like this practice, so it is not any it is not nuclear science. So friends, my dear, if you like this video, my dear friends, I would like to send off the last that I don't have my personal on phone, that's why I could not make video on regular basis. So that's why I'm making with this video with others phone. He's calling me, I'm going there. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Where I struck that 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 time was he person was calling me for this phone. So that's why please forgive me, I'm going there. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for never missing latest update. Your Sahil, please support me. Thank you.